Okay, if we can just, oh my God, look at it. So this year we went nuts with the Christmas lights. I put probably 30 strings on the house. And I'm trying to find a good way to load test this battery. Because I only have a 400 watt inverter, so I'm like, why don't I just take all the house lights off the house, and as I'm taking them off, hook them up to the battery and see how many amps it's drawing. It's perfectly safe, by the way. Probably about 20 strings right here. Now this is the only incandescent string that I have, and I'll come back to this in a minute. The rest of these are all LEDs. What's interesting is, look at that, only 50% on the inverter. And it's only a 400 watt inverter, so 50% is not much, about 15 amps. Alright, so the answer is 13 amps. All these lights, 20 strings, 13 amps. Let's unplug this guy though. This is the only incandescent string I have. Just to show you how much power incandescent lights versus LED lights, how much power you would have saved over this Christmas using LED lights. Okay, so I only unplugged the incandescent string right here. Everything else is still plugged in. Look at that. 5.7 amps. Let's just say 6 amps. So we took it down by 50%, more than 50%, just by unplugging one. Well, granted, this is about a 75-foot roll of incandescent lights. So yeah, huge savings. I'm gonna go get more lights. Okay, if we can just, oh my God, look at it. This is every light that I've had on the house this year. 15 amps. That's nothing. 8 of it's coming from this one. Christmas cheer. So just want to show you my awesome connections here. Got this guy here. Got this one up here. This is my favorite. Yeah, look at that. So all these lights are, everything is connected to this outdoor rated surge protector. So if the inverter should overload, this thing completely goes off. Everything's dead. The inverter overloads, it shuts down, whatever. Turn it back on. See, this power stays off. Because every time you lose power, you have to flip this back on. Like that. Definitely would be worried about these. Yeah, this guy is warm. I mean, you wouldn't normally have them wrapped up like that, right? But it's at least, wow. It could be high as 80 degrees in there. I really need to get a thermal camera. Every Christmas, you know, when people used to run these lights on the house, and we don't use these, we didn't actually use these on the house this year, only LEDs. I would see like at least 1 or 2 fires. And it's probably because of these guys. Hi guys, Happy New Year's. See you in the next one.